Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about SOSL query. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. By using SOSL queries, we can search specific content in multiple objects. SOSL queries should be used with find keyword. Here, this is the syntax of the SOSL query. Find here the search text in all fields returning. Here we can pass object, and here we can pass the in column we can pass the fields of the object. Here in all fields means search in all the fields. We can also write here name fields. Name fields means search in only name fields. Also we can write here email fields means search this text in email fields. Also we can write here phone fields means search this text in phone fields. And always write SOSL query in list object. Syntax of this is list. In that list, uh, after that s object result equals to, after that write here SOSL query. Let's see one example. Open your code editor. Write here first list. After that again list. After that write s object search list equals to, write find keyword. I am right here search text is Jagdish in all fields returning first is account object, and first field is name. After that second object is contact. Here first field is first name. After that second field is last name, and third field is email. In this way we can write SOSL query. After that and create list for account, and second object is contact. List of account list equals to new list of account. After that second list for contact equals to new list of contact. After that account list equals to list of account search list at zero index. After that contact list equals to list of contact, search list at one index. After that, here I am write for loop account for printing the result of account list. Account name of the account list is account ACC list. After that, print this system.debug name plus ACC dot name. After that, I create another for loop for contact contact list system.debug name here I'm directly print object name con first field is first name, second field is last name. Okay, after that execute executed line 1. Okay, here is missing. After that execute. Okay, line number 5. Okay, here is tag is missing. After that click execute. Okay, close here, click here execute. After that click here debug only. Okay, record is not available. I think okay. And search another record. Go in. I'm right here. Go in. After that execute. Click here debug only. See, name of go in contain two records. It execute two times. We can also write this query in query editor and simply copy this query SOSL query and in query editor and paste here. After that, click here execute. Okay, error at bovine. Okay. When you write SOSL query in query editor, write search search text in bracket, open and curly braces. After that, click here execute. We got the two records in account object. There is no records in contact. In this way, we can execute SOSL queries in Apex. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.